This undersea garden was inspired by a rock formation at my favorite place to go in Pismo Beach. I decided to turn it into an underwater rock with coral life on it. I came up with this drawing of shapes on a separate layer, then applying back into the painting in sort of a peel and stick fashion. I developed templates to make it easy for me to transfer a sea fan I bought and scanned. It worked so well for me, I decided to make mini templates for other painters wanting to learn this technique. Many of these items were shaped using cake decorating tips that add an amazing thickness to a painting. Transparent glass butterflies create the neatest shadow from light shining through. Another unique feature is a seashell that is made of solid paint, tested in a mold to see what else this thick paint can do. Amazing detail appeared. It's pretty fun to see how the paint piece just pops back into place, being so flexible when dry. This painting now resides in a doctor's office, where Dr. Gordon there commented how he liked this piece for how it looks lifelike, as if he were actually looking at a coral-infested rock under the ocean.